In this video, I'm breaking down the proper way to shut off and turn back on your main water valve, plus what you should do with a gas tank water heater when the water's off, so you don't end up with any surprises or damage. Alright, here's the deal. When you shut off your main water valve, don't just slam it closed fast. Turn it slowly to avoid pressure shocks in your pipes. Then, open a hose spigot somewhere on your property. This is key because it lets the water drain out and relieves pressure, preventing any nasty bursts or leaks. Don't open regular faucets for draining since they can clog if debris is stirred up. The hose spigot has bigger internals and is way less likely to get blocked. When you turn the water back on, do it slowly too, and keep that hose spigot open until all the air stops burping out. This helps get rid of trapped air and prevents noisy pipes. If you have galvanized pipes or older valves that haven't been touched in a while, be cautious because sediment buildup can cause clogs or leaks. So sometimes it's better to leave those alone unless you're ready for a plumber on speed dial. For your gas water heater, it's smart to turn the thermostat down to pilot or off if you know the water's going to be off for a while, but you don't necessarily have to shut off the water going into it unless you're gone for months. Also, if you want peace of mind when you're away, consider installing a Moen automatic water shutoff valve. It monitors water flow and cuts it off if there's a leak, which saved me from into damage after a flood. And if freezing pipes are a concern during cold months, a Nest thermostat with freeze protection is clutch because it kicks on the heat before things get too chilly. One of the biggest mistakes people make when shutting off their main water valve is shutting it off quickly and opening faucets instead of a hose spigot, which risks pipe damage and clogs from debris. Another common error is forgetting to open the hose spigot when turning the water back on, causing air pockets that lead to banging pipes or pressure spikes. Lastly, not adjusting your gas water heater thermostat or leaving the system running without water can cause unnecessary wear or even damage over time, so always dial it back to pilot mode or off when the water's off for longer periods. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource where homeowners can easily connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making home repairs and upgrades way less stressful. Plus, contractors looking for new gigs can find work through the platform, creating a win-win for everyone in the home improvement game.